Have you breached your FundedNext challenge account? Then this video is for you. If you fail to reach your profit target, FundedNext gives you a second chance to start afresh. And guess what? It comes at a discounted price. But you can reset your account even though you have breached it or violated any rules. Whether you are in phase 1 of the evaluation or 2-step Stellar Challenge, you can reset your account. If you are in phase 2 of the evaluation or 2-step Stellar Challenge, you'll get a new account upon resetting. If you are trading on the Express account or 1-step Stellar Challenge, you can reset whenever you are in a drawdown or breach your account, but you can only reset the challenge account. After you log in, click on the Breached Account tab, then click on the Dashboard button of the account that you want to reset. If your account is breached, then you will see the option of resetting your account here. You can place your reset request by clicking on the Reset button here. Or you can go to the Top Up and Reset section from the menu on the left-hand side. From here, click on the Reset Request button. Now you have to fill in your information. Then click on the Confirm Reset Request button and you are ready to restart trading with your account. That's it for this video. Hit the like button and smash the subscribe button for more videos like this.